A delegation led by the Chief Executive Member CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Shemborlang Rinja, met with Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister, who is also in charge of District Council Affairs, to seek the state government's support in terms of financial assistance. Speaking to the media today, following the meeting, the KHADC CEM Shemborlang Rinja stated that the KHADC is keen to understand the quantum of funds allocated by the state government to ensure the effective functioning of the council. He further informed that the delegation also urged upon the state government to extend support for research-related activities under the council's purview.
Council mengharapkan yang charge of finance mengenai Deputy CM berdipet uyaka department kejuan kejumi kalau menggunakan ketua atlet kimat council do boleh dapat kamat ke dia lor kebahak kemaka KCTC ke dia panyo nomor ta ni hakiwe ki council ke lah bagi karena ka department lah ada pasal adu mentai nak kena KCTC ke dia wilayah ibu din hi kata sitin adu di berai ada dengan semua adu mentai semua yo tidak ada bah ina so dongkam mana ni department deputy CM man depa ni kembali tadi kan banyak do perkawin ni keren lah kali berka ke research apa kong ke council ni kan dia hak ke joka kan kam pada waktu banyak susu di jalan zaman demi ke cakap keren deputy CM yang ni kemat kong ke council ni dongkam jikersan ke state government nak kami kum dong bangin nang lasu kan buat banyak lagi julung zaman juga cakap ke jungi ke research ke joka ke bentar juga council nak kadang bangin lah kan sotok ya ka peteng ke pa ada komentar tadi ka bagi keren deputy CM naga yang deputy CM imsim lai tu ekada ndai la shutha yo officer jungi dalla cakap kita banyak ke bagi dia lek keluar nak tadi tai